tries. Last 2 tries. Let's go for this generic thing. I feel like you might as well just try different things. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? That's what? Please go. This isn't working. Oh no. This isn't good. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I can't do anything. It's stuck.
It's stuck, I know.
I know. What am I gonna do? Huh. Wow.
Oh, that's stuck in there good too, bud.
Yeah. It's not good.